welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get $100 Steam code. To get $100 of Steam code for free, first of all you need to go to your preferred web browser, then go to your search bar and type in webcoupons.com. Press enter and you will be directed to this website of Webby Coupons. You can see all these popular coupons here on this website. So to get the Steam coupon code, go to the search box and search for Steam. You'll find all these results here. Click on this Steam gift card codes and coupons. So on this page we have the results of Steam coupon codes. Here is this number of coupons left since there are limited Steam codes for free. We have $100 gift card here. So all you have to do is to click on show coupon. And here is the first few letters of your Steam code. Now you have to unlock this code from here to see the full code and get this $100 Steam code. So this is how you can get $100 Steam code for free. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and I will be back with another video soon. Thank you for watching.